Good morning, children. Welcome to your physics class. Dear children, we already completed friction chapter. Then we go for next chapter, sound. Friction chapter, question answers. Write and study minimum 3 times so that it will be easy for you. This is my request. Write and study. After reading 2 or 3 times, write it and check it by yourself, or ask your parents to check your answer. So that is where you can learn it. So whether you are learned or not, you can confirm it. So we go for next chapter, sound. What is sound? What is sound? Sound is a form of energy. We hear different forms of energy. Solar energy, light energy, heat energy. Like different forms of energy we learned. Light is a form of energy, heat is a form of energy. Similarly, sound also a form of energy. It can travel from one place to another like other energy forms. So, what is sound energy definition? Sound is a form of energy which gives sensation of hearing. We hear because of the sound energy only. Now I am teaching. The sound, you are able to hear it by the sense organ ear. So sound gives sensation of hearing. So we learned like that only definition. Sound is a form of energy which gives sensation of hearing. Right from morning, you wake up from morning by hearing different sounds only. From nature you can hear sound. Sound from birds, chirping sound. Then sound from ringtone of your mobile or alarm clock alarm you set and you get up. So alarm sound, you can hear it. And when somebody call you, you can hear the sound from their words. So different sources are there around us to produce sound. When you come to school, according to timetable, class one class over, bell will be ringing. The beginning of the class, the warning bell will be given. So you have interval break informed by ringing sound of school bell only. There are how sound is produced. So first we are going to learn how sound is produced. Then how does this sound form, energy form, travel from one place to another? About that you are, is it need a path or not? Is it need a medium? About that we are learning this chapter. First we are going to learn how sound is produced. Next we are going to learn which way sound travel from one place to another. Then we are going to learn how do we hear sound. About human or animals, how they hear sound. Then we are going to learn this chapter. You know, some sounds you hear as loud, some as soft sound. So sound intensity vary according to sound coming from sources. It is not with the same intensity. So about that all we are going to learn in this chapter. First, as I said, we are going to learn how does sound produce, or how is sound produced. When suppose you are in the school, one metal gong, big gong is there. Then you say hammer hit the gong, metal gong. Then this metal gong is made of particles, iron molecules only. Iron only it is made, it is iron. So iron molecules or atoms in that body vibrate and produce sound. Vibrate and produce sound. What they have, they are the molecules, what the particles, what they do, it vibrates. If a steel plate fall from my hand, when it strikes the ground, when it hits the ground, it produces sound. Why the sound will be hearing? Because of vibration in that. Cycle bell, in a cycle bell, you are, when you ride a cycle, you will ring the sound, cycle bell. So when you ring it, when you touch the top of that bell, you feel vibrations. You feel vibrations. So their vibrations carried out. When vibration is not there, no sound will be produced. When you talk, you touch this part of, you feel vibrations. When you talk, when you touch this part, you feel vibrations. So vocal cord vibrate. This we call vocal cord. This vocal cord vibrate. Larynx. Their vocal cords are the larynx. This part, this hump part is a larynx. Larynx vocal cords are there. You will study later about the structure of human, how sound is produced in humans. Voice box or larynx we say, voice box, vocal cords are there, two cords are there. These cords vibrate and produce sound. So they are all carried out vibrations. Humans, animals, their vibrations only cause reason for sound. When rubber band, stretch it and when you pluck it, stretch both ends of rubber band and pluck it. When you pluck it, it produces sound. As a fun you may do. There also the rubber band vibrate. Particles in the rubber band, particles vibrate and produce sound. Particles may be atoms or molecules with which it is made. Chemistry you are studying. Matter is made of atoms and molecules. These atoms or molecules, they vibrate and produce sound. So dear children, how sound is produced? Sound is produced due to vibration of objects. Sound is produced due to vibration. Due to vibration of objects. Vibration. These vibrations, what is vibration? What is vibration means? When we disturb a body, it will particles after striking a body, it will we are creating disturbance there. Due to disturbance, particles move forward and backward. We say to and from motion. To and from motion. Forward and backward. So back and forth motion or to and from motion of the to and from motion. To and fro or back and forth. To and fro or back and forth. Back and forth. Motion of the object is known as vibration. So what is vibration? To and fro or back and forth. Back and forth motion of object is called, or particles present in the object is called vibration. So what is the definition for vibration? To and fro or back and forth motion of particles present in an object or object is called vibration. So this back and forth motion or to and fro motion is the reason for sound to be produced there. We consider sound produced from orchestra. In orchestra, number of instruments are played, musical instruments are played. in an orchestra. Number of musical instruments are played. You know number of musical instruments we are using. This is harmonium, tabla, sitar, guitar, veena, flute. These are some musical instruments we are using. We consider how sound is produced there. I consider among this what I mentioned 3 musical instruments. First one, veena. Veena. You know, veena, sitar, guitar, there are strings are there. They pluck the strings. You know how? So while plucking the strings are stretched strings only. The stretched strings, their disturbance is creating. Their vibration is carried out. So the stretched string vibrate. Stretched. Stretched string vibrate and produce sound. Stretched string. Second one, dear children, we have tabla. So first I considered veena. They are stretched string. Then sitar, guitar also comes under that category only. Stretched string. The string which is stretched, not a loose string, a stretched one. Like a rubber band is stretched, I told stretched one. Tight only. Then both ends tied. Then there are disturbance creating. Then particles vibrate to and fro or back and forth. In a particular rhythmic order, when disturbance is created, there sound is produced that we call music. So veena, stretched string, then tabla. Tabla, you know, the which part there hitting a beating when we are beating there thin membrane you can see. Thin membrane. That also stretched only. Stretched membrane. Membrane. Membrane can be skin of and leather like thin animal skin or like that only. Stretched membrane only. Stretched membrane. Very thin only. Very thin stretched membrane. There are disturbance created when we beat sound is produced. Tabla. Then we have a third category, flute. Flute, you know, air columns are air column. There are holes you can see. Flute holes that are tube only. Here holes you can see the top. This holes, number of holes in a sequential order there is holes. Then they close the holes. Air column vibrating. What is vibrating? We are changing the holes according to the closing holes. Then air column is vibrating. Air column. Air column. What is vibrating? Air column. C-A-L-U-M-N. Air column. So air column, stretched membrane, stretched string. These three Musical instruments there comes under category stretched string, veena, stretched membrane, tabla, air column, flute. So this flute when we consider air column vibrator, tabla when we consider stretched membrane vibrate, then veena when we consider stretched string vibrate and produce sound. So vibrating part of veena, what will be? Stretched string to produce sound. What is the vibrating part of tabla? Stretched membrane. Then flute, air column. In your textbook, one activity is given, name the musical instrument, which part vibrate. That you can do as assignment and complete the textbook. That part you can complete. So thank you children. I hope everybody understand. So dear children, read the textbook other than watching the class. Also attend the Google class and to clear your doubts. Thank you children.